You tightened the loose gas cap and heard it click. But the check engine light is still on. Here's how long it will take for that light to turn itself off. The light will go off on its own, but it is not instant. Expect it to clear after about 3 to 5 days of normal driving, which is usually around 60 miles for most people. Here is the reason for the delay. You fixed the leak, but the car's main computer, called the engine control unit, does not know that yet. It needs to prove the repair is good. It does this by testing the evaporative emission system, which is the system that stops gasoline fumes from leaking into the air. To turn off the light for a code like P0457, which means a large leak, was found, the computer has to run a self-test. This test is notoriously picky. It slightly pressurizes the fuel tank and then checks to see if it can hold that pressure. If it can, it knows the seal is good. The computer will only run this test when driving conditions are perfect for getting an accurate reading. There are specific conditions required for this test to run. First, keep your fuel level between 1/4 and 3/4 full. The system cannot get a correct reading on a very full or a nearly empty tank. Second, the vehicle needs a cold start. This just means it has been parked for several hours, typically overnight, so the engine is at the same temperature as the outside air. The temperature change from cold to warm as the car runs is one of the key conditions the computer looks for. After that cold start, your normal commute is usually enough. A mix of city driving with some stops, and some steady highway speed is what allows the computer to complete the test and confirm the gas cap is sealed. One thing you should not do is disconnect the 12-volt battery to clear the light. While this will turn the light off immediately, it creates a different problem. Disconnecting the battery erases the computer's memory, resetting all of its self-tests, or readiness monitors, to an incomplete status. If you have to get an emissions inspection, the car will fail automatically because those monitors are not ready. You will still have to complete the same driving cycle to get them to pass, so you gain nothing and risk a failed inspection. So, be patient. As long as the cap clicked shut and your fuel level is right, just drive the car normally. The light will handle itself.